In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize some features within the Hostinger control panel effectively. Now, if you're managing a website through Hostinger, you may already know just how powerful and user-friendly their platform can be. But today, we're going to focus on a specific sequence of steps that'll help you stay on top of your website's security and efficiency. So, let's dive straight in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger homepage. Simply open up your favorite web browser and type in hpanel.hostinger.com. This is your go-to gateway for accessing Hostinger's wealth of tools and options, designed to make managing a website as seamless as possible. Once you are on the homepage, you'll see a variety of navigation options. What you'll want to do next is locate the Websites section. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on Websites will direct you to a list of all your different projects that are hosted via Hostinger. This list helps you maintain an organized view and quick access to all the sites you operate. After you've clicked into the Websites section, look out for the Dashboard option. Clicking here will take you straight to the heart of your website management. The dashboard is essentially your command center, where you can see an overview of your site's performance and settings, and make necessary changes. From the dashboard, you're going to want to focus on security next. So go ahead and click on Security. Keeping your site secure is crucial, and Hostinger offers some robust tools to help with that, all conveniently accessible under this tab. Moving on, within the security section, you'll find an option for WordPress auto updates. Give that a click. Enabling auto updates for WordPress is like setting your cruise control during a long drive. It ensures you're always running the latest version with all the latest features and security patches, saving you from the hassle of manually updating each time. Lastly, let's explore the AI Troubleshooter. Simply click on it, and voila, you're one step closer to resolving any pesky issues that might arise. The AI Troubleshooter is akin to having a digital mechanic on call, ready to diagnose and suggest fixes for common site issues. It's particularly effective for catching those small glitches that can sometimes escape manual checks. And there you have it. Navigating Hostinger's features can greatly enhance your site management skills. Remember, regularly checking these settings and utilizing the tools available will ensure your website functions smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more insightful tips and tutorials.